Here's a certified 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This sporty riding, fuel-efficient Malibu is a perfect blend of form and function. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.